So good morning dear cadets. So your chapter number 14 is completely completed. Okay. Now I should have taught you NCERT exercise of chapter number 14. There are some technical issues with the extra marks. That is why I am not teaching those NCERT exercise. So today what I will do, I will introduce you the chapter number 15, that is light chapter. Okay, what is that one? Light chapter I will introduce, and if it will be rectified tomorrow, so will teach you NCERT exercises of chapter number 14. Even if it is not rectified, then also I will write the answers of NCERT questions on blackboard. You don't worry. But today just you bear with me with the chapter number 15, that is light chapter. So as far as the outline of this chapter is concerned, outline, in this chapter following things are given. How many things are given? Following things. Just see. First will teach you light. What is light? Okay, light. Then what is the next one thing? Reflection of light. What is the next one meaning? Reflection of light. Okay, that also I should teach you. Reflection of light. After this one, what is the next one? Mirror. What is there? Mirror. That is the reflecting surface. Mirror is basically two types. First one is plane mirror. What is the first one? Plane mirror. Okay, plane mirror. Next one is spherical mirror. Spherical mirror. Okay, spherical mirror. Spherical mirrors are two types. First one is concave. Concave. Another one is convex. Okay, convex mirror. Next one thing in the same chapter will teach you lens. What is the next one? Lens. Okay, so just try to understand. Just like a mirror, lens are also reflecting surface only. They are also two types. First one is concave lens. Concave lens. Another one is convex lens. Okay, they are also known as converging and diverging lenses. Converging and diverging lenses. So these are the outline of this chapter. So basically in this chapter, how many things are included? The first thing is light. Second one thing is the reflection of light. Third one thing is the mirror. Mirror is the reflecting surface. When light falls on the mirror, that mirror reflect, change the direction of light. Okay, so this is reflecting surface. Mirrors are two types. First one is the plane mirror. What is the first one? Plane mirror. Second one is the spherical mirror. Spherical mirrors are two types. First one is concave, another one is convex. Okay, now lens is two types, concave and convex. Lens are also reflecting surfaces only. Okay, so try to understand here. We'll begin with light chapter. So now introduction to light. What is light? Okay, so try to understand light. Beam of light you might have heard. When the torch is on, then beam of light is coming out. Okay, from the bulb light is coming out. Okay, light is coming out or not? So actually what is the light? Light is nothing but a heat, one type of heat. Okay, can we say or not? And see, when light produced by any source, then what is there? It can reach to the very large places. It depends upon the intensity of the light. So try to understand, light is one type of physical quantity, you can say. Light is nothing but a physical quantity which produced from the heat. Okay, so try to understand what are the properties of light. Properties of light. Okay, properties of light. Okay, the first property of light is light travel in straight line. Light travels in straight line. Okay, so just try to understand how can you prove that light travels in the straight line. Just see, one burning candle you keep on the table. Okay, first you see the burning candle with the help of straight hollow pipe. Okay, so what you will see, you will be able to see the burning candle. But suppose same burning candle, if you want to see from the bent pipe, will you be able to see the burning candle? No. So what does it indicate? It indicates that light travels in straight line, straight path, straight line or straight path. This is the only reason, that is why with the help of straight path we are able to see the burning candle, but with the help of bent pipe we are unable to see the burning candle. Okay, so this is the first property of light. What is the second property? Light can change its path when it hits with the shiny surface. Shiny surface means mirror. Light gets reflected when it falls on shiny surface. What is shiny surface? What is the meaning of shiny surface? This shiny surface is only known as mirror. So mirror, it doesn't mean that the instrument by which you are observing your face. Any surface which is polished with bright color, and able to reflect the light. What is the meaning of reflection of light? Changing the direction of light. Reflection of light, just see, here only you can write reflection of light. What is the meaning of reflection of light? Reflection of light means changing the direction of light. That is only changing the direction of light. That is the meaning of reflection of light. Okay, so try to understand. If we sum up these 2 points, so we have got 2 important things. Number 1 thing is light travels in the straight line. Second one thing is light gets reflected when it falls on shiny surface. Shiny surface means mirror. Okay, so just see, light can change its path when it falls on shiny surface or mirror. So the reflection of light means changing the direction of light. Okay, so shiny surface, any surface if you paint with the bright color, that will act as a mirror. So shiny surface is acting as a mirror. This is the quality of or properties of light. Okay, so basically it has got 2 types of properties. Okay, now just see, in the Panchatantra you might have heard one story. What is that story? There was one lion and rabbit. They met with each other. Lion was about to eat the rabbit. Then what rabbit thought? Rabbit thought, let us deceive this lion. So what he told? Okay, I am ready to be your food, but try to understand, there is one more lion who is claiming to be the king of this forest. So lion asked to that rabbit, where is that lion? So rabbit took him to one well. Okay, one well or not? Now he told, that means rabbit told to the lion that next lion is inside this well. Okay, so when lion tried to see that one, so what he saw? He saw his shadow on the well water, and really he thought that another lion is there, and he jumped over that well, and rabbit is safe. Now lion died inside the well. So what is there? Reflection was there or not? In the water, reflection was there. Because of the reflection only, that lion could see his image. Okay, so try to understand. Here the important thing is mirror. Means mirror is of only one type, or they are of different categories. They are of different types. So now we'll discuss about the mirror. So dear cadets, now mirror. So what is the mirror? Mirror is the reflecting surface. What is this one? Reflecting surface. Means the surface of mirror is able to change the direction of incident ray or incident light. Okay, is the reflecting surface. Okay, means mirror is able to change the direction of light. Now types of mirror. How many types of mirror is there? Types of mirror. So there are two types of mirror. The first mirror is plane mirror. What is the first one? Plane mirror. Okay. Second one is spherical mirror. Okay. So spherical mirrors are two types: concave mirror, and another one is convex mirror. Okay, concave mirror and convex mirror. Okay, we'll discuss so many things about the plane mirror and spherical mirror in tomorrow's video. Right now, just you note down the today's exercise. Okay, the duration of video is about to complete. The question number 1 is write the characteristics of light. Okay, first question. Okay, second question is what do you mean by reflection of light? What do you mean by reflection of light? Reflection of light. Question number 1, 2. Next one is question number 3rd. The question number 3rd is what is mirror? What is mirror? Write its types. Okay, so these are the simple questions. Today you have to complete that much. Now chapter I have introduced, remaining thing tomorrow I will complete. Thank you. Don't think that I will not complete the NCERT exercise of 14th chapter. There is some technical issue, otherwise I could have completed today only. If it is possible, we'll complete tomorrow. Thank you.